Hi everyone. I'm going to solve this uh, interval problem, confidence interval problem today, and I'm also going to find margin of error. So I'm going to use my TI 83 plus calculator to solve this problem. And so the problem that we see here, it's a proportion problem and proportion and interval. So let me clear my ROM and I'll move to I need to press start button to get started and move to test. And you will see a bunch of functions here and we need to choose the right function. So the classification of problem is like this. We need to find interval and we are talking about proportion. And we are talking about one proportion, so you need to move and choose interval and proportion. So it's one proportion Z interval. I think that's the 11th function here in TI 83 plus. So I'll enter and I have my values entered here. So my X value is 88, my N value is 225, the confidence level is 0.95, and I need to calculate my answer. Yeah, so I have my interval here. My interval is 0.3275 and 0.45488. So this is my second answer, the confidence interval. So I also need to find the margin of error. So we can do that by subtracting the by finding the difference between our confidence interval. So I'm going to subtract 0.32735 from 0.45488. So I end up with this. And you need to divide the difference by 2. That's how you get your margin of error, divided by 2. Yeah. So this is your margin of error, and your confidence interval is 0.45488 and 0.32735. So I'll type my answer here. So it's 0.63. As percentage, it is 0.063. As percentage, it's 6.37. And I need to round that to 2 decimal places. So I get 6.38. 6.38 percentage. That's my margin of error. And for my confidence interval, my answers are 0.3273, which as percentage is 32.74. And my other percentage is 45.49. Yeah, so this is my answer. Thank you. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, share this video. And I have a Facebook group where I help college students like you to pass your statistics course. Please do find the link of the group below in the description, join the group, and feel free to ask the questions that you have on